Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download and install the Python software. Also, I will tell you how to download the PyCharm, and I will tell you one sample program how to execute also. So make sure that you must have Windows 10 in your laptop, or if you are having Mac or other operating system, then there is no problem into that one. So first go to the Google, open the Google Chrome and type Python download. First, you should install Python, then you should install the PyCharm. So let us click on the first link, that is Python download. Then you will get diverted on this page. So you have to choose your operating system, whichever you are having. Because I'm having my operating system is Windows, I'm clicking on this first link, Python download, whichever the latest version that will come. So click on this. Then you can see here it is getting downloaded. Let us open this after downloading. Otherwise, directly you can double click on this one. Now here very important point will come. Okay. Once you got this one, make sure you should click on add Python exe. And if you want, you can use the admin privilege if you want. It is not necessary, but the compulsory thing which you should have is what? This add python.exe. If you add, automatically the path will get set up. And then click on what? Install now. So when you click on install now, you have to click on S. Now you can see here, it will take few seconds to install this. And make sure don't cancel or anything, because first it should get installed completely. Okay. Now it got installed successfully. Then the second step, you need to install the PyCharm. So again, go back to the Chrome and search for PyCharm download. And click on the first link, whichever you are getting, JetBrains, click on that one. And now in the PyCharm, you will get two versions. It is very important, guys. PyCharm Professional and PyCharm Community version. So we need which version? Community version, because it is a free one. So when you click here, it will start getting downloaded. It will take few seconds. It is loading still. Now you can see here, download will get started. And guys, it will take few seconds to download this. Depends on your internet speed. Okay. And now, if you don't want to start this directly, you can click on finish, or now I want to start this application. So I'm clicking on this and finish. Now here one thing you remember, guys, if you don't have Python installed into your system, you will not able to run your program. But what we did, we have already set up the Python and then we are starting with the PyCharm. Now it is working fine. So click on the first project, new project here. By default, everything, all the setting you keep it default. We don't want to change anything here. Now you will get this complete thing. You want to run your first program. Already you are aware, in your classes we have explained all this stuff. Click on Python file. Give whatever file name you want. To run the file, what you have to write? Print. And click on what? Hello. Right click and check whether it is working or not. And guys, one thing you remember, because we have installed newly, and we have opened the software first time, so it is doing some setup at the bottom. You can see some installation and all is coming. So whenever it is coming, you will not able to run your program. So sometimes some people will ask me, sir, I have installed, and suddenly they will call us, sir, my PyCharm is not working or something, because this is the reason it is getting updated. So wait here for few seconds. Once everything get updated, now you can run this program. Now you see you are getting the run option and you are getting hello message. I hope everything is clear for you. Still, if you are having any doubts, you can comment. If you like this, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video, guys.